Lucia has a soccer game at 9 o'clock on Saturday. No, I was debating for like, we'll have to do shopping. I'll see if they can
You can do shopping tomorrow. You can do shopping
Tomorrow is Thursday. Tomorrow I have to go to work.
Emil, are you done with your ice cream yet?
Yeah.
Are you done? Or are you still eating it?
It's okay.
Don't touch, don't.
It's okay. Just have a seat. I'll help you. No.
Whose is it?
No, baby.
Whose is
Go back to your bowl.
Whose is it?
I don't know.
Whose
It's
is it?
Supreme Aunties, don't eat it.
No, this is my Sophia.
Maybe it was butter.
Mommy, I'm eating yours.
Okay, that's fine. I think someone else is having the most fun with their ice cream.
Who? Me? Sarah.
Take a look.
Emil.
He's had the best time.